Good news! We dodged the basketball shower!
Holy flying!
Easy for you to say, lazy, crazy, daisy fed, and you aren't even crazy.
I don't have any arms, so I can't help him die.
You know how you could help!
Ah! No, painful!
Yeah!
Herder! You know what? I'll crank it. Guys, what's that fire in front of us? It's you, just like you're a massive inflated noggin. And is that a bunk rat on top? Well, steer away from it. I don't want to crash. Sure thing.
What do you think that cloud looks like? I think the cloud looks like a snowball. But if I'm not blind... Well, I think it looks like how big my enormous brain is. So... Wait...
Very cool. Just turn off its fan for full depth.
I can't understand, ma'am. Not a problem, Victor. My yo-yo stock can also translate the beast into English. What?
7 of you are up for elimination.
That was impressive.
So rude.
What do you mean, so rude? You bought tickets to watch this kick steak.
Oh, right.
Nickel, pin, bombing, prize, tennis ball, golf ball, and coin. Whoever gets the most likes gets a prize. Whoever gets the most dislikes is eliminated. Isn't this thrilling?
Well, let's see who won the prize.
Pin wins the prize.
Congratulations, buddy. Spin the wheel already, Pin. We can battle day. Well, since you won't spin it, it looks like you'll win excruciating pain for 2,763 years. Sound. Oh, stop. I have had enough of Pin being the butt of your jokes. I will spin it. What? Regain your face, your size, and a state-of-the-art mech suit. Oh, my gator.
Pin shall rise! Pin shall rise! Pin shall rise!
I'm feeling unrise.
Return overload! Return overload! Return overload!
Yay! I'm back to regular size! And I got my teeth! And I got my link. Oh! Wait, you got my teeth on the wrong side!
Maybe Pin can get her brain back too?
Wow, you fixed it!
Brother back, Pin!
Pin, it's so nice you're complete again. What's the first thing you want to do now?
Oh, that's an easy one. Tear down the 3 smartest who did this to me.
Run!
You need to stop violating take and stake etiquette, Pencil. Maybe now you'll learn your lesson.
For my words, the guns pointed pistol. How do we let her stop at such a thing? Oh, yeah! If the friends are gonna kill us, then we gotta kill the thugs with Spongy.
On to the elimination. We got 57,725 dislikes. We'll get a poisoned increment if you're safe. Coiny and Pin are the first ones safe.
Yeah! But is that? And now I'm in the final final? This is going to keep getting better and better!
Tennis Ball is also safe with 510.
Yay! Hello there, Dolphy. He's adequately funny. See less.
Now we're down to Nickel, Bonnie, Prize, and Golf Ball. The lead switched hands between you guys at least 3 times. And all of you got over 10,000 dislikes. You repulsive dislike magnets.
Ironic, you're calling us repulsive.
I wouldn't call our hosts repulsive, Prize.
Tickle is nice, so he's safe.
Woo! Kindness wins again!
Prize is mean, but he's safe.
And it said,
Down to Bonnie and Golf Ball.
BB, calculating my guesses, I'm winning. It's 1 out of 11, so 9.090909 repeating percent. But don't you normally like doing the math yourself? Are you nervous? Not nervous, just terrifying.
If for Spongy to kill the bugs, we need them all in one place. Hang hey, like sugar, I got you covered. Perfect. A place where Spongy's gonna land. It's working. It keeps going. Here we go. Here we go. Save yourself for a minute. You can go. Okay, now back up. Hooray!
Ooh. So, who's eliminated golf ball? Don't you see? Our host has been killed. Hell there, we've been doing this before. Come out now! But Golfy, who the heck is my next meal?
Who's calling me? Wait, man, you can't forget to! Ah! I can't hear you. Oh, right. How could I forget? Time for something about this. KPFF, you would not believe what I just saw. Wait, that's still the bean. What's that Barbec's voice? What isn't she, Spongy just died. For real? Come on, my friend broke the bone. Call you back. Sure. See you later.
Well, other books are dead, and Barbeck picks up the phone, so I guess she's the host?
Awesome! Wait, excuse me. I remember. Hold on. I'd love to host. Let's reveal the vote. Golf ball. I don't really know you, but you are eliminated!
What? But I'm the world team leader. No, not Golfy.
Wow, this is like gonna be so satisfying.
That is friends. A team inviting devices. The how you dealing this for the those of us. Now my case is disappointing with 9.09 repeating percent 0.000%. Wait, is that a golf club?
Awesome! Another team no-namer out.
Oh, great.
Like, none of that stupid both-brained Buffy butt is gone. So now, like, wheel to choose the content. Yay! That's just that. Get out of here, Matt. I'm the host now. But I gotta do this for Smart, and I wanna, like, keep and spend. Rule the rules. Why don't we have everybody in the locker of losers host? Okay. But seriously, skim that contract wheel already. Guys? Oh my god, a bad round! I'm not dead. Oh my gosh, you're alive! But we paid a lot for that poster, so... Enough killing! I would never advocate for that! Bed, the one atop the spire, silly! Since the bed only fits 2, you'll have to split into 5 pairs to compete. Sounds good and wanna form a team?
Of course!
Oh my god, job, Smart, we gotta form a team!
You can't have all 4 members on one team. You have to split up.
Darn, well, Pips instead, and Needle's the rookie, so we can do a team of me and Book. Gee, thanks!
Oh man, without my Golfy by my side, who could I possibly team with? Why not me? I have the same shape and limbs as her. I guess you'll do. Woo! I feel so appreciated right now.
Well, you literally tried to murder me. So, we could have you all form team chat. Yeah, for months quest, the pump fest. Okay.
We're here!
So, let's go over the rules. Get to the bunk bed on the top of the spire. There will be 5 floating islands along the way. Don't slow down, because a certain someone sure doesn't like trespassers. Who's that? Silly question. Anyway, the last team to get to the end will be sleep-deprived and up for elimination.
Only 2 people in danger? That's so few. But how will we get to Island 1?
Wait, that's a bad question.
Me, the only ball with lines. Well, only ball with lines. Figure it out yourself. 3, 2, 1, go!
Can you believe it, Twinny? Now that I'm a meal, we're in first!
No bandwarming lads.
Aw, man!
and that's fire for me. The fun dresser probably is a yeah. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, Daryl. Well, I sure as search ain't less thing to do. Wow, we had to go for the vine, Timothy. Oh yeah, leave it here first. So sword green or speedy machine. Oh, that Walter is a fly too. Everyone, huh? So they weren't. We left our dear Rookie behind. Well, Pencil always promised me that if she ever died, we could bury her in the free smart super coffin. And so, wanted to be buried in a coffin with a rocket and keep of course. What's this? The pencil inside. Hello, contestants! I'm Donuts, first boot of BFDIA, and welcome to my island. As a prize for getting here, you may take a blanket. Yeah, that's me alright. On this island, your role is to fill these jetpacks with fuel, and try to use them to fly the island too. Now where could I find this cherry speaker? Hey, Finn, can your med suit climb vine?
Oh my fellas, we're falling behind them. Oh, it's taking me. I mean, we're the only team with no arms anyway. What did you expect? Wait, I know what to do. I invented Metal Plus Flu. Whoa, what are you doing now? Between the two of us, we have 4 limbs. Oh yeah!
You have arms, so you should claw. How do you do it for? What have I prior? Once more, come and get it! We've reached Island 1! Oh, halfway! Sugar Crush, welcome to Donut Island, James 2 and 3, Ruby, Fried Bommy, long time no see. Indeed, and I think your island is... tasty! Needle, there's no fill on Donut Island, it's very filling. Oh, I don't. Fine. Ooh. I'm excited we get to compete again.
And I'm excited for revenge!
Wait, your power table... Go figure. I'd like to order 2,763 extension cables.
Thank you for the order.
I built an ecosystem destroying the oil rig to extract jelly filling as fast as possible. And I built, well, I'm not really sure how to control. You could suck the pollution out of the air with this straw. It's time. Nichols, let us go. Sure thing.
Ooh, I want to use the oil rig too. What would you look at that? Our only Armless team soars to first place. Congratulations, Tennisball and Nickel.
I thank you, Donut. You know, I haven't heard much from you since you said so, but you don't make a bad host after all.
Huh? The coin and the ball already finished. Bobby's way down playing yourself. They're thinking bombing and creating their mother the underground. Hey, look, how does this get back now? You gotta go full roading to Let's Fight Island, kill me. Yeah, well, be sure to give Pencil a stern talking to at the next Alliance meeting. Ooh, these must be the extension cables. Not evil CP. Keep your ball plugged in now.
It's my dealer!
Whoa, what a picturesque island! Even got a vat of anti-poison on it. But who's hosting this island? Oh, it's you. Fine, I'll take a pillow.
Whoa, there's more of me! Fascinating!
But wait, how can Dora host an island? Doesn't she eat? Don't say it! Looks like someone got the munchies! What an unhinged host we have here! And I'm referring to her jaw, not her mind.
Dora, you know you won't be able to take any of the iron through the metal wall, right?
We have to eat an island to ascend? I don't like the sound of that. Oh great, you're here too now. What's with your friends?
Sugar trash. We're flying! Whee! You are, Ruby. From here we defeat the pink frosted mountains, the blazed hell, the Cheryl Pillar Chef and Donut Sinkhole, and Needy. Wow! What's happening? I used the fuel you collected with pure killing filling? I think so. It was from CB's oil rig, oil dig, and that garbage is polluted. Polluted? No! Yeah. Boom! Boom! Oh no, that's all! Boom! Triple product, number, weapon, so that's the peppermint! Ow! What's where you're going? Oh, I know where I'm going! Wait, needle through her dead pocket off the taxi! Oh god! Guys, I can't believe that just happened. Let's give off. Yeah. Wake up, wake up! Eat an island! Eat another sugary bite! Okay.
Wanna eat an island? I would, but my doctor says I'm allergic to minerals. Ooh, how about this? I'll cook and season an island, which will make it super appetizing for you to eat. Oh, okay. It has an awful chemically aftertaste. Really? Well, try to stomach it. It's like they always say, vegetables are good for you. And grass is basically vegetables, right? Wait, what's the sound?
Where am I? Your arms are fire! I'm you gotta eat! I feel better.
Side effects of anti-poison. You know, I would know.
Weird. Now wait, Dora, you're still alive? Hey, Teardrop, what do you want us to do? You want this island? Hey, you what? So you want to say I'm messing up the cyber to sailor? Hello, but the interpret for teaching that the same. I'm usually doing no more help, and now we're getting louder. It's over. Oh, it's really over. What's that? Hey, remember now. Play on the stream, you guys. It's the beat for conduct of the victory. What? We have to eat island?
Yeah, like them.
Tastes bad! Tastes bad! It does? Probably because of all that gunk in your mouth. Let's brush it out. Faster, 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 faster!
Okay, did you know that bees can recognize faces everywhere? Oh, really? Well, sure, give the email I put on. Well, this one, he's Rodham doesn't like that. What? I'm gonna be quiet. Oh yeah, what if I don't want to be quiet? Yay! Restarted back there now, and well, we're not old, Doc. Were you forgetting someone? You don't need. No, I get it. What's up, guys? I'm fine. Yay! Oh, there! I promise that's the part Deloitte to hear it needing more. Alright, why don't we stick together now? Then what do you want from us? Buff! Buff! Dude. Wait! Eat an island? I already did that, see? Buff! Buff! You were saying? Alright!
Are you done blushing? Only like 2% away there.
Do you like it?
It doesn't look like it. It's 90% dirt.
Well, if you don't like it, then it's just photos!
Ready?
Sir! We're here!
Oh, my bubble blower! Is this chair job toiling? Hi, Miss DD. Well, oh look! There's a Juice of Deadly reunion happening over there! Let's check it out! Boy, hello there, new one distinguished guest! The two distinguished guests! Oh, hey there. Did you know I've been scrubbing Doyle toilets for years? It's a tough job, but someone's gotta do it. Speaking of scrubbing, have you ever noticed I'm a different kind of— Huh? Oh, you think Courtney dropped his thankful you got rid of that obnoxious brush? Where was him, Papa? What do we do with this microphone? And what do we do with the helium test? Great job, you tried his damn job! Oh, no, here's how you do it. Ow!
Oh, see the ladies here! Are my teeth clean enough yet? Just a little more. Oh, this brush isn't fast enough. Now your teeth are clean and shiny. Thanks, TV. Woohoo! Now time to talk.
Tree spotters are getting away! This is unacceptable! What's actually unacceptable? You're not wishing to my dream. Study giraffes and paint to my vendor stole my stock, so I have to go to the store and buy more, but they ran out, they burned it. Yo, my man, is that the shipwreck from that urban legend?
You mean how you talk with the pirate?
Yeah, here, get a photo of me with the ship.
For sure! But first, I need to touch up.
You know, I've been really thinking about my own mortality lately. I think I'm feeling the American die soon. Did you know that statistically people are more likely to die than being run over by a—
18! Oh man, 6 stars are ruined!
Can I see the pig?
Sure, but first, this milk stuff to be rocket!
Whoa, what is this button to? What is— it's like my basket factory, you coin sir. It's where they build more of like me, really? Yeah. Hey, yeah, girl, yeah, Dina, why, no, yeah, why you pointer, sir, okay, tiny, Ruby. Anyway, what do we do here? Oh, well, first off, welcome to, like, my beautiful island! Feel free to pick up, like, a nightcap for catching these. The challenge is to, like, build a raft to ride the volcano to, like, the next island. Got that? Yeah, I guess. It's also on, like, LNC. And Sen, I haven't seen you in, like, forever. We have, like, so much to, like, talk about. Hey, Natch, I guess we could, but I'm kind of busy. Oh! Well, then, let's make that right. to do the tomo unit are like my BFF. So I always see in on a little secret. There's an extra raft near the ship rack on Pier to Fire in. Oh, fire, Baldi, fire! I get all those jealous sweetness of Matches Island.
This island not fancy.
Hey!
Yeah.
Hey, ow!
Be more careful.
We made it! Oh, gosh! Yay! No, don't tell me again!
If you say so.
You're cleared! Whatever. How about this? But nice bounce, Jiggle Boy. Yeah, don't call me that.
Not two different objects with different ugly red hair.
Well, at least I can say I'm not like a pinhead. Max, your friends are jumping off a cliff. Oh, I'm well aware.
Hello there, do you talk like one with Funky Crave? Need anything from us?
And what's up with sitting down with the nose off the built to measure. This new family growth from the line, waiting for it to together to the close.
You want us to tell them to be quiet? Oh, got it!
Oh, it's I've always done garbage. You have to
We're here to save you! Nicole, do your thing!
Oh!
Wow, this must be Matches Island!
Now our raft is done. Sailing is caring.
Hey, if what he's saying gets you like this and how to deal with the other half, because sailing isn't thirsty for this something. Sense is just feeling.
Whatever. Well, lame. Thanks, Barney. Alright, free smarties. Where do you think the extra raft would be? I said it was around my ship, so I'll check the bow. I'll check the port out. I'll check the bow. Oil ship king install. Heck, the afterpiece. I never find anything, and Bubble, I was too scared to go inside.
GB, are you sad GB's gone? Yeah, it is sad. Although, the extra space left me hone in my own building skills. Like this. Nice! Let's ride it up the volcano!
Welcome to the most colorful islands. We have a bedtime story.
Claro, and so, right. But I hope not. That's better. So pop all the backstabber. We need a gun.
So we do. You're now within earshot of the bunk bed. Your task is to sing a lullaby. If I like it, the party platform will rise. And you'll be able to step into bed. That's the finish line.
I want to try.
That was horrible.
Let me try. Fall, you betrayed us. You're a filthy brat. You deserve to burn. I will crush you flat.
That was so off topic, Bryce. Give me the mic. Pointy, pointy, pointy. Like pointy, serpent, pointy. Pointy, pointy, pointy. Like pointy, serpent, pointy.
I don't want to go in. You only live one. Wow. That must be the raft is under the ship. Mate, let's just get out of here. I won't shut the door. I got it. Oh, it's sold. Everyone out. We need a noble sacrifice. We gotta move on. Oh, wait. I made it! Yay! No, both of us.
Pointy, pointy, pointy! My pointy sucking pointy! Pointy, pointy, pointy! That was atrocious! Oh, those nuts!
We are. Close your eyes, go to sleep, and your prefrontal cortex will be melt into consciousness. Well, that wasn't very lullaby-like.
But it works, so you pass.
It's the bunk bed! You can get in first, TB. You earned it. Yay! This is for you, Baldi.
Tennisball and Nickel are the first team to get in the bunk bed. They are safe.
Close your eyes, go to sleep.
We're back! Yay! Free Smart stays on top! Coming now! You're on the bottom. The last 2 ranks. Nobody's behind you. Yeah. Oh. Well, no time for crying. We got the raft you told us about. Yeah, can't wait. Let Bubble say it. Yo, okay. Let's go. Football, you express, you're a filthy rat. You deserve to growl. I will rat you, rat.
Well, your song improved.
You know, maybe we don't need to kidnap and murder each other.
Go to bed. Bommy and Fries are safe at second place. Which means it's down to Corny and Pin and the Free Smart teams. Who will survive? Find out after the break. We're back.
Maybe I should try singing this time.
Take it away. Pointy, pointy, pointy! Red pointy, serpent, pointy! Pointy, pointy, pointy! Red pointy, serpent, pointy! Pointy, pointy, pointy! Intro, serpent, pointy! Terrible! You have learned nothing!
Well, then it's my turn to sing, right? 1 sheep, 2 sheep, red sheep, blue sheep.
A team cannot sing twice in a row if there are other teams ready to go. But there aren't?
Oh, but there are! Now! And now it's time for us to get into the bunk bed we deserve! Hit it, pencil! Go! Yeah, I have no idea what to sing, do you? I've got something up my sleeve! I dreamed a dream that no one will me. You dreamed a dream that nobody called you happy. I dreamed a dream of a world with no need for me. Only there that one simply slowly for my man's falling.
That was beautiful. You pass.
Yay! I owe you a big one, Needle.
Pencil and Needle safe at third place. Now only 2 teams have not finished. Alright, now it's our turn.
No! By the rules, you can't sing twice until we get a chance to sing. Brrr! Rules are your rules. Please sing when you are ready. It's us versus them, Book. This is our shot to remove our biggest rival from the game. But do we even know what to sing? I'm not a lyrics booklet. What about Spongy Creek? No, I've got a...
We don't have all day.
I've got a backup plan.
Pointy, pointy, pointy. Red pointy, serpent, pointy. I feel like I've heard this before. Serpent.
Season pointy.
Red pointy, serpent, pointy. Pointy, pointy, pointy. Red pointy, serpent, pointy. Pointy, pointy, hold on. I'm feeling this now. They've resorted to stealing my song. Are you good? This is completely unacceptable! You can't claim someone else's song as your own! That completely ruined the game! I liked the sound of that remix. You pass.
Yo, we did it! Do we okay?
That! Resort, you fool. You have crossed far too many lines. You ripped up my face. You crushed my body. You didn't let Ice Cube come swing with me. And now you have the gall to steal my song? No wonder your team name abbreviates to BART. It's time you feel my pain. It's time you feel the gravity of all the atrocities you have inflicted upon me. Ruby and Duck. I have no remorse in saying that you are up for elimination.
Whoa, yum! What just happened? Ben, do you know?
We had a little lamb good.
Yeah, I won't question it.
Maybe not a little lamb. That settles it. Pig and Cordy says fourth and last spot in the bunk bed, so we are safe. Only Ruby and Book failed to reach the bunk bed, so they are up for elimination. Go to the parting videos in the description and like the contestant you want to win a prize, and dislike the ones you want eliminated. See you in BFDIA 15.
Boys! Hi, I'm Michael, and if you liked the episode and want to help us out, then please press subscribe and make sure you're subscribed. Or else I'll turn into a raging pin! Also, right now, as you're watching this episode, the tennis ball, golf ball, and evil leafy plushes are finally available for you to order today. Thank you to everyone who came and saw the episode early at the BFDIA and II 2024 tour. It was amazing getting to meet you guys. Goodbye!